Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is Daraz FMD. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search what is Daraz FMD. When you search, the website page will be opened. You just scroll down and click in this website, what is Daraz FMD. When you click this website, the page will be opened up. All about fulfillment by Daraz. Fulfillment by Daraz, what to use, FPD. Here shows the FPD team will be have to send your email if you have to meet of eligibility criteria. Create your inbound order request for the pre-cart line. Wait if you have to request approval. If approved, you will be have informed throughout email or call. Submit your product at the Daraz of warehouses. Keep track on your product throughout FPD protocol, including stock inventory, hanging material, etc. Enjoy the hassle of free management throughout the fulfillment by Daraz. Why does FPD works? When you have to customer marketplace in the order on FPD product, Daraz package, ship and deliver to your order. Why chooses fulfillment by Daraz? Safe and handling of inventory, no packaging cost for FPD sellers, no labor cost, no drop of requirements and each orders. What is the free structure for FPD? Sellers on FPD models only incur for the storage cost, the viewer of the storage and policy including everything that related the price. Please note, if you have to do not have access for FPD portal, you have to facing an error. Please contact with the seller support and center for assistance. Access will be granted in 3 days time, after which you may be have to start using FPD. Introduction to FPD. Now we discuss introduction of FPD and overview of this platform that you will be click here and get notice of FPD. Their eligibility criteria. Fulfillment by Daraz is a facility that is available for only selected categories. In order to meet eligibility criteria for FPD sellers, must have and following numbers of items and underhanded for your categories. In the table below, the categories and the number of times sold in the mentioned in the table and subject to change every month. If you have to reach these criteria, then FPD team will be have to connect it with your email. Minimum sales for FPD eligibility criteria. Category sales furniture and decor 1858. Health and beauty is 1584. Both struggle for jewelry 1467. TV, audio, video gaming and wearables is 1080, fashion 965, cameras 923, computer and laptop 913, bag and travel 898, groceries 844, tools, tie and outdoor 733, pet supplies 493, kitchen and dining 463, motor 410, mobile and tablets 387, toys and games 377, sport and outdoor 374, stationery and craft 342, mother and baby 301, laundry and cleaning 278, mending and cloth 146, home appliances 137, media and music and books 81. Terms and conditions, there are impounded. If you have to product is eligible for any particular month, it is not a necessity. If you have to remain eligible for the next upcoming month, if the product received at the warehouse and not as the per of KDP, product display pages is the color of weight, demonstration picture and product supply and leakage damage, defective etc. Then it will be have to market it and the defective product of the eligible for sales. The last result what you have to might be rejected in the inbounded order because of this following reason. Inbounded order created within less than 10 minutes. In the second number, stock submitted will be have to sort within more 30 days. In the third number, items is not recommended for FPD. Outbounded is the threshold that you have to create for outbounded orders. Access to the stock and sellers using to the algorithm every month. There are also the right of product, that is the charity if you not have to pick up, and there are respective sellers within the timeline shared to seller via email. Seller is responsible for paying the charges of execute stock if you have to more than 60 days the Daraz. Workforce and you have to keep the link of two charges of them. Frequently asked question, what is FPD? Fulfillment by Daraz. FPD is the program that is included the business to utilize Daraz operational expertise in the list of that the state art warehouse your fulfillment customer orders. How does FPD work? Create await an impounded owner's request for a guideline. In the second step, wait for the request by approved. Third step, if you prove will we have to inform throughout email or call. Fourth step, submit your product with the brass warehouses. Fifth step, you can be track your product throughout FPD protocol. In the last step, enjoy the hassle of management. For